Hi, this is Rian from Must Be Noob. This lab guide is on how to manage group membership type in Microsoft Entra ID with Microsoft Entra Admin Center. You can change a group's membership from the static to dynamic or vice versa in Microsoft Entra ID. Microsoft Entra ID keeps the same group name and ID in the system, so all existing references to the group are still valid. If you create a new group instead, you would need to update those references. Dynamic group membership eliminates management overhead of adding and removing users. You will need group administrator or global administrator role to change group membership type in Microsoft Entra ID. Access Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Click on Go to Microsoft Entra ID. Click on Users. Click on All Users. At this moment, I have 5 user account and 1 guest user account in my Microsoft Entra ID tenant. Click on Groups and select All Groups. From the All Groups list, select the group that you want to change. I have created one security group with the name All MBN Users. When changing an existing static group to a dynamic group, all existing members are removed from the group and then the membership rule is processed to add new members. If the group is used to control access to apps or resources, be aware that the original members might lose access until the membership rule is fully processed. It is best practice that you test the new membership rule beforehand to make sure that the new membership rule in the group is as expected. Select Properties. On the Properties page for the group, select a membership type of either assigned, dynamic user, or dynamic device depending on your desired membership type. In this lab guide, I'll select membership type of dynamic user. Select Add Dynamic Query to provide the membership rule. You can use the rule builder to select options for a simple rule or write a membership rule yourself. You can create a group containing all users and guest users within a tenant using a membership rule. When users and guest users are added or removed from the tenant in the future, the group's membership is adjusted automatically. Click on Edit to write a membership rule by yourself. Type the expression in the text box. After adding rules in text, select OK. The rule appears in the rules in text box. Select Save. The new dynamic group will now include B2B guest users and members users. Select Save on the Properties page for the group to save your changes. Select Yes on the dialog explaining the changes to the group membership to continue. The membership type of the group is immediately updated in the group list. Click on All Groups. Click on Refresh. Confirm that membership type is changed to dynamic from assigned for group All MBN Users. Click on All MBN Users group. Dynamic membership updates can be processed for all the groups within the organization in 24 hours. You will have to wait for the dynamic rule processing to finish. In this case, you can confirm that dynamic rule processing status is not started yet. You can also create a dynamic group to exclude guest users and include only member users of your tenant. This will be the rule syntax for that. So instead of earlier rule, you have to type this rule in Rule Builder to create the dynamic group of all the member users of your tenant. In this lab guide, you learn how to change a static group membership to dynamic in Microsoft Entra ID. That's all for this lab guide. Stay tuned for more videos like this. See you all in the next lab guide.